Namaste friends, this is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection. I'm a Vastu, Astro Vastu, Numerology, mobile numerology, switch words, visiting cards, and logo design consultant. Uh, Today I'm going to talk about Sai Sanjeevini multiplication and broadcasting card. So this is the right way. So here you put the sample and this is the output that you want. So in case like if you want to heal somebody, then you use the switch words, yeah, energy circles, you put it here. Do not write anything in the circle, you put it here, and the person you want to heal, his or her photo goes in here. Remember not to write anything in both circles. So this is the sample circle and this is the output that we want. Now this I have used successfully in many cases, and one particular case was there was a girl, she was very allergic type of illness she had, and she been kept in hospital for months, and parents must have spent tens of lakhs rupees. So I did the vastu of their house, and I also given her this to charge the drinking water, the medicines. So basically, I have given I tell the parents that they put the medicine here and her picture here. You can provide the multiple samples. So like in this case, I have written on the sheet that she is perfectly healthy, not anymore on the medication, and she has started going to schools and all that. In while she was in hospital, we used to put the medications strips or the bottles here and her picture here. And now the I just spoke to her uncle recently, and he has confirmed that the girl has started going to school. She's leading the normal life as any other girl child. Earlier, her room was, they have refurbished her room with the full on sanitization. So, like on the walls, there are tiles. No, so like she cannot even bear the dust of the cement coming off from the wall, the paint smell and all that. So they have put the tile on the whole wall, all the walls, and she was air filtration was installed in her room. But things has improved drastically, and now she is perfectly well. And I use this card extensively in her case, and they continue to use that. This works for anybody, even like for a healthy person. Whether they want to achieve something, then they put it here and their picture here. You get this card on the Sai Sanjeevini website. I think it's a saisanjeevini.org. You can also get it from me. I have made the sticker type copy, so you can stick it on the desk or where it's not get disturbed and only used for the charging method. Uh, as I said, the energy circles like this type of circles you can use, or these ones that I have. These are the so like I put it here and the person's photo on the output. So do try this and it works amazingly, gives the amazing results. Thank you very much, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.